Hey you guys, how do you feel about having a snow day tomorrow?
It's awesome.
I feel so happy. It's so awesome.
So are you excited about having no school tomorrow?
Yes.
Have you ever had a snow day?
No.
No? All right, what do you think you're gonna do?
Stay home. It's cold.
Yeah. Enjoy your day tomorrow.
You too.
All right, so how did they make the announcement today?
They were just like, hey guys, sorry to interrupt, but there's no school. Right, the teachers are very excited.
So how do you feel about there being no school tomorrow?
Happy. Yeah.
Happy? What are you gonna do tomorrow?
Maybe snowboard if it's not this bad.
Okay. Hey you guys, how do you feel about having no school tomorrow?
Awesome. Happy, but we have a big project
Oh.
we have to work on.
Oh.
And we were going to go anyways.
How do you feel about having no school tomorrow?
I feel great. I'm going.
First time.
And I'm gonna make peanut butter cookies, and I'm gonna drink lots of hot cocoa.
Have you ever had a snow day?
First time in
no.
like 30 years. I wasn't alive last time we had snow.
Our teachers even jumped out their seats.
They're like,
Your teachers were even excited?
Yeah,
Oh.
of course teachers are excited. It's a day without us.
Hey guys, how do you feel about having no school tomorrow?
Oh, it's so great. I'm gonna dive in this. Oh God, it burns. I look like the Michelin Man.
Jack, are you happy? They can barely move, you know.
Yeah, they're like making these sudden moves.
It's really nice out here now. It's not even really that cold. No, it was earlier.
That is awesome.
I'm surprised he's doing this because, you know, we saw the big plow get stuck this morning.
I'm amazed this thing can move.
All right, we have a lane.
All right, like that?
Oh, walk! I think
think he's
I could
making
do
any
an
attempt to
instant
catch the
replay
ball.
on. This is my husband running me over.
There are children in the street. Oh, this will be good. This will be good. Nice.
That is an automatic 3 points for Sam.
So he's going to put this in our...
Hey! This is awesome! Oh! That's a big interference on Sam. Oh, darn it! 12! He has 12!
Seen this at 5 o'clock this morning. I was stuffed right here like half an hour. Hey, you know what the deal is with the street cleaning? No, actually not sure. Because when I called the police this morning,
Were there a lot of cross-country skiers out there?
There were a few.
There-
But the cool thing is everybody, when they see you, they smile.
Now that is a tunnel. I'm coming! And everybody get ready in our next. Let's go in the creek. I think Mike's packing.